go up for a little closer view. Try and change this to from the Mount Victory sub to the Columbus. Try and change the frequency from the CSX Mount Victory sub to the CSX Columbus sub. Glad that Marion has rail stream cameras now. Oh, I didn't get the symbol for this coal train. I believe that was CSX E678. Probably Mitchell would know, or you know what? I'm not sure what the symbol for this coal train is. Probably be an E678. Anyway, if you know the CSX train symbol and the CSX train destination for the coal train, hold on. If you know the CSX train symbol and the CSX coal train destination for the coal train, hold on. If you know the CSX train symbol and the CSX coal train destination for the coal train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.